The world with living things is so beautiful, so varied and numerous. Animals and plants are found almost everywhere in this planet. We have enjoyed the song of birds, smell of flowers, taste of fruits, listened to the music of singers, and enjoyed taking care of our pets. Good day to all listeners out there. This video to be discussed is all about animals and plants, parts, functions, and importance to humans. This mojo will introduce you to the world of plants and animals, where they live, what structure they have in order to classify them in groups, and the general concept of biodiversity. This is Diwanime Pumado speaking from B.Ed to A. Look at the picture we see. Different kind of animals and plants. Before we proceed to our main topic, I will discuss the characteristic of living and non-living things. For the characteristic of living things exhibit locomotory motion. Animals are able to move as they possess specialized locomotory organ. Second, living things respire. Respiration is a chemical reaction which occurs inside cells to release energy from the food. Third, living things are sensitive. Fourth, they grow. Living things mature and grow through different stages of development. Fifth, they acquire and fulfill their nutritional requirements through the process of nutrition and digestion in order to survive. Next, the characteristics of non-living things. Non-living things are lifeless. They do not have cells and there's no protoplasm which forms the basis of life to exist. Second, they do not have a definite and certain size of their own. They take the shape of the substance they are contained in. For example, a liquid takes the shape of its container. Third, non-living things grow by accretion. It occurs through adding material externally. Fourth, non-living things never die. It's because they do not have cells with a definite lifespan. In short, immortality is a distinguishing factor. Fifth, fundamental life processes are absent in non-living things. What is plant? Plants are living things. They are made up of cells. They need air, water, soil, and sunlight to live. They cannot move from place to place, but their leaves move to catch the sun, and their roots move to get water. Their seeds can be carried by animals or blown by the wind. For the parts of plants, we have roots, stem, fruit, leaves, and flower. And that part has a function. The root absorbs water and nutrient. It supports plants and takes in water and nutrients. Second, the stem supports the plant. Support leaves transports water and nutrients. The fruit protects the seed. A fruit has two main functions. That is, first, prevent the seed from dying, And second, to disperse the seed. The fourth is the leaf, performs photosynthesis because it produces food for the plant. And the last is the flower. It helps in reproduction. It because they mediate the pinning of the sperm contained within pollen to the ovules contained in the ovary. Next is the structure of a plant. Roots help to anchor the plant in the soil so it doesn't fall over. The stems support the plant, act as the plant's plumbing system by conducting water and nutrients from the roots and food in the form of glucose from the leaves to other plant parts. The leaves, designed to capture sunlight, which they use to make food through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. They use the energy from sunlight to produce glucose. Flowers, the reproductive part of most plants. Seeds, an embryo of the plant that is encased in a protective covering and surrounded by food supply. The next is the importance of plants to humans. Plants provide us food, medicine, shelter, materials for clothing, furniture, resin, dyes, and many more. Plants also protect the environment from erosion by providing cover to the ground. Active ingredients of some medicines are derived from leaves, roots, flowers, and seeds. For example, the malunga leaves to clean wounds as first aid. So, if the plants is important to us, we need to take care of them also. The question is, how do we take care of plants around us? First, water plants regularly, especially during dry season. Second, provide support for the beans, like ampalaya plants and string beans. Third, protect plant from too much sunlight so that we human put black screen. And last, add fertilizer to the pot to provide nutrients to the plants to grow better. In taking care of our plants, we should exercise care in handling plants. How do we take care in handling plants around us? Some of plants have spines and thorns that can prick your hand, and some are poisonous. Pollen of flowers may trigger allergy, and some leaves may have aphids and insect larvae that can cause itchiness. First to do when handling plants is wear gloves. Use scissors to cut small twigs. Wear mask when you have allergy. After the plants, let's proceed to the animals. Animals are multicellular eukaryotes whose cells are bound together by collagen. Animals dominate by human conception of life on Earth because of their size, diversity, abundance, and mobility. For the parts of the animals, I include only the common parts of the animals. Example, in dog, we have head, body, and legs. The function of head is to serve as the information processing center. Serves as the information from the sense organs, and body is relayed to the brain, which is the nerve center found in the head. Second, The body. Defense against injury or illness. A body also are the nutrient absorption and the reproduction. The third is the legs. Produce movements such as standing, walking, running, and jumping. It also provides support and a range of movement. So, let's proceed to the importance of animals to humans. Animals are our companions, our workers, our eyes, ears, and become one's best friend. Animals around us provide services for us to survive. Food, transportation, medicine, clothes, recreation, even protection provided to us. Example, a dog protects our home, search for missing person, and drugs. They are important to all of us, whether we love, hate, eat, or protect them. Sometimes we domesticated wild animals to become our livestock, providing milk, meat, and clothing. If our animals provide us our basic needs, then we should take care of them. Taking care and handling of animals. First, providing a safe and cozy shelter. Second, providing or feed them a good and high quality food. Third, check up on them sometimes in a veterinary doctor. When we take care of our animals, we should practice the handling of animals. First, we have to be calm, move slowly, and avoid loud noises because they hate them. Second, avoid animals with babies. Third, approach the large animals at the shoulder. And the last, avoid the hind legs of animals. The reference is to be followed. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope you gained more knowledge to my lesson I discussed. Help to take care our environment to live life better.